All right, guys, we're back out here. Different lake today than we've been trying the past couple weeks. I know I haven't had a video out in a couple weeks, but I was hitting that same lake um, for the past few times I went out, and I haven't been doing that great. I don't know, it just hasn't been too good out. But last week I thought it was going to be the end. I got out on that lake where I was throwing those crankbaits around for the past couple weeks, all the way down by that beach. The wind picked up, the waves picked up. Thought you guys were gonna be reading about me in the paper. Local YouTube sensation goes down by the fury of 1.5 foot whitecaps, but we made it. Day sucked though. Couldn't get nothing and just got so windy. Waves were biggest I've ever been on a lake in a rowboat anyway. But today looks, I don't even want to say it, but today looks good. We got clouds in the morning, and then it's supposed to open up to be a brighter sunny day, but hopefully this morning, while we got the cloud coverage, and the water is like glass right now, so that's nice too. See if we can hit the shorelines. In theory, that's where they should be. Throw this spinnerbait around on the shorelines, see if we can pull a few out, and then we'll go from there. See what happens. I mean, generally when I like to say what I'm gonna do, it never works. So we'll see what happens. I'm sure we'll end up trying a few different things today, different spots. But I'll get back at you guys in a little bit. There's one. Oh boys, this feels like a good one. Oh, there we go. Second cast of the morning. That's what I'm talking about. Made sure I set the hook on that one. See, I found out what my problem was the past couple weeks with this is that I used to always just use braided line on all my bait casting reels. This year I switched over to mono, so you know I'm probably getting that stretch when I set the hook. So I just got to set the hook like more of a man, and I should be all right. There's one. He barely hit that. I didn't even feel him. Little guy. Not horrible, but just barely keeper. Barely hit it though. So what I'm fishing here is just this thick weeds where it just comes to a drop off. So just right on the edge of this weed line before it drops off real deep. Pickerel. Time to get the pliers out. I should have had the pliers out to begin with. All right, relax. That ain't a bad one. Alright, we're getting a little bit of action today. Not bad. It's not exactly what we're looking for, but every once in a while it's nice to catch one of them. A big one anyway. Give the old suspending crankbait a toss. This is a pretty good fall bait, fall and early spring. There we go. Another little one, but that just shows it's working. Another one, just barely keeper. This is the pain with these baits though. 9,000 hooks on here. This is making up for the past couple weeks of almost being shipwrecked and not catching anything. There's another one, another little one. Smallest one so far. There's another one. Same thing. I'm getting all these cookie cutter. This one's got a nice stripe on him though. Dark. Nice color. How dark the stripe is on him. Alright, we just want to find the big boys. Another pickerel. Little one this time. He does not like that. And I don't blame him. All right, guys, that's it. We're heading back in. Pretty good day today. Maybe 7, 8 fish or so. A couple different species. But can't complain about today. Ended up being a nice day. The clouds are pretty much gone. Blue skies now. Came to this backside of the lake here and started fishing, but it's real thick, real weedy. I was hoping that maybe we could throw the spinnerbait around here and pull something out of the weeds, but that didn't happen. So we're heading back in now. Survived another trip. Didn't get as hairy as last time I was out. I should actually kept video from that. Just showed how gnarly it got. But yeah, that's it for today. I guess we'll pick back up next week, hopefully. We're starting to, we got probably about another month and a half left on these lakes. Then they close these lakes, the boats. So after that, I guess we'll have to try and get back out in the raft again, going to, more secluded spots. But that's gonna do it for today. Catch you guys next week.